These equations have unknowns or letter terms on both sides of the equal sign. So my first job is going to be to move all of the letter terms to one side of the equation. So for this first one, I'm going to take away 3x from both sides. So 7x take away 3x is 4x. Remember, I've still got that plus 5. 3x take away 3x is nothing, but I still have the 21. So now it looks like some of the simple equations we've looked at earlier. This time now I'm going to move the number terms to the other side. So I'm going to take away 5 from both sides. And I'm going to get 4x is equal to 16. And my last job is to get rid of this 4 in front of the x. It's times in the 4, so I'm going to divide. 4x divided by 4 is x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So my answer is x equals 4. Right, let's look at this second equation. So I want to get all the letter terms on one side, numbers on the other. So first I'm going to move the 4c. So we're going to take away 4c from both sides. This makes the left-hand side 9c, take away 4c is 5c, and the 10 is unaffected. 4c take away 4c, that cancelled, so I'm just left with 15. Now I'm going to move that negative 10, I want to move that to the right-hand side, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So 5c stays as it is. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0, so that's gone. 15 plus 10 is 25. So I've got it to the state where I have numbers on one side, letters on the other, so I'm just left with dividing by the number in front of the letter. In this case it's 5. So 5c divided by 5 is c, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So my answer is c is equal to 5.